communicate this order to respond number 7 ওনার ডেজিগনেশনটা দিয়ে দেবেন।
Order number 8. My lord, I am for the petition.
8, my lord, I am for
My lord,
I'm
this
happy
is
for
a
the state
petition
respondent.
for getting an employment under the land loser scheme, my lord. Now, my lord, the land of the fathers of the petitioner was acquired by initiating a LA case in the year 2006-2007. Now, subsequently, on the plot of the land and adjoining plots, my lord, the Badipur jail has been constructed. Now, my lord, under the land loser scheme, one member of the active family or who has lost the land,
Yes.
he is supposed to get a job. So, since my lord, the petitioner has not been given, so my lord, this writ petition was filed. Now, subsequently, your lordship was pleased to direct the state respondent to file a report. They have filed the report and subsequently the supplementary report, which says, my lord, in the meantime, may I file the exception, my lord, and in the report, my lord, it says mainly two things, that my name was sponsored for two institutions, one Dinhata municipality and second, my lord, Ramkrishna Ashram at Narendrapur. Now, regarding Dinhata, my lord, they are saying that I was given the opportunity to appear before the written test, but that is not the case because I never got any interview letter or any letter asking me to appear before any written test. This is one aspect. And regarding my lord, Ramkrishna Mission at Narendrapur, there is no communication status admitted. They do not know. Now, under this situation, my lord, kindly consider your lordship that the allegation is this, that I was given the opportunity to appear before the written test in Dinhata, my lord, but common sense says that a person who is in search of an employment, he will dare not to appear before the admission test. Let them show that I was communicated. I received the interview letter. And today everything is possible. Everything is possible as the Bengal is running. Now, second thing, my lord, your lordship kindly sees that the private respondent who is similarly situated, he has been given the chance or employment. My lord, as the right, a statutory body cannot ignore or deny to give me an employment letter. It is not the case that my land or my father's land was not acquired, but it is the case that I have been denied. I have not been given any employment, which the state is supposed to give. This is my all, my lord.
And on behalf of the state, my lord, before my lord I submit, be it specific, being the employment exchange, we are not the my lord appointing authority, but my lord referring authority. We cannot give appointment. We can refer whenever the requisition has been called for. My lord, kindly see page 30, petitioners of the writ petition. It is annexure of the petitioner himself. My lord, 2 times the petitioner have been called for before the my lord 2 authorities. The name of the petitioner have been my lord referred by the government or concerned government, my lord, Deputy Director Employment. Kindly, if my lord, kindly take page 30 at serial number 04. Page 30 of the writ petition, it is the annexure of the petitioner. 04, Pradip Kumar Mondal, registration number such and such, to whom sponsored, chairman of Dinhata municipality, that is the my lord autonomous body, and secondly, my lord, the secretary of Ramkrishna Mission Industrial Training Center. Now, my lord, after filing this writ petition, my lord, I have, my lord, we have inquired from the my lord appointing authority. We have, my lord, given them letter to let us know about the status of his sponsoring. My lord, if my lord kindly take my additional report. It is not, my lord, our department's letter. Kindly consider. It is the letter, it is the information which we have received from the Dinhata municipality, who is not the state. And my lord, he is submitting that whether the Dinhata municipality have called him or not, that is the factual aspect. Cannot be decided here and now. And my lord, if they received really any records regarding that, then my lord, he has to make party the Dinhata municipality. Whatever documents we have received, information we have received from the my lord Dinhata municipality, kindly see my lord page 5. I am reading page 5. Subject regarding status of the vacancy sponsored by your office. Reference such and such. Sir, with reference to your memo number cited above on the above subject and in supersession of the office, earlier memo dated such and such, this is for your information. It is my lord, chairman is informing us. Information that the vacancies in question were filled in by eligible candidates through written examination dated such and subsequent interview. Now is very important. This also to mention here that as per office records, the mentioned incumbent Sri Pradip Kumar Mondal, that is the petitioner, was allotted roll number such and was called for written examination conducted on such and such date. The call letter has admit card has been sent by speed post number minus such on such and such date, and the incumbent was absent on the date of written examination. My lord, kindly consider it is not the duty of the state to pick up the petitioner and escort him to the examination hall and my lord make arrangement to sit give exam. We can sponsor, and it is the information we receive from the Dinhata municipality, who is not the party respondent. How can I bring records?
Now, my lord, may I add two sentences, my lord? Your lordship kindly sees.
Completed.
My lord, I want to last, my lord, I want to conclude. My lord, we did our job. It is our duty to sponsor. We have duly sponsored, and the petitioner has not denied the same. In his exception, kindly consider this, my lord.
My lord, may I add two things, my lord? My lord, how the point of getting employment is coming out. That is the circular or gazette notification issued by the state of West Bengal.
There is no
Now,
dispute.
you just conclude.
No, good.
Don't disturb me, sir, brother. Now, my lord, the scheme has been introduced by the state of West Bengal. Now, Dinhata municipality is not outside the purview of West Bengal government. So, how and why and what will be the mechanism in implementing the scheme under land losing or land loser scheme? That is upon the state government. Now they are trying to shift the burden upon Dinhata. Who is Dinhata? That is within state of West Bengal. That is a municipal body, statutory body. So the stakeholder is the state of West Bengal. So the scheme is arising out of the gazette notification. That they cannot deny that. Now they are saying I am not, I cannot be held liable because I have shifted. Now you have to look after everything. You cannot shift the burden because you are the state. You have to carry the responsibility and burden. And I have never denied that I have not been given that report, that I was given the chance. But how? The Dinhata municipality is saying my roll number, my date of interview or written test. And in the scheme, my lord, there is no whisper regarding written examination. The only qualification is I am to
Once
lose
you
my
are-
land.
Once you are enrolled under the employment, what is this?
Exempted.
Employment category, I mean exempted category under the Directorate of Employment.
My lord, your lordship
Until
kindly
and
sees
unless
this
you-
is the gazette notification for once, my lord. I
Uh,
have folded the page, my lord.
Until
Land
and
losing.
unless you get employment, this is valid. How
Mal-
or
mal-
the validity is for certain period.
My lord, it is the burden of the state when and how
Is
to
the
get the
validity
appointment.
of your registration till you get employment or for a particular
Yes,
period?
I am within age, and age may be relaxed because my eligibility arose in the year 2006, 2007, soon after my land was acquired. And I will get the lesser number of years in employment if your lordship allows us. Suppose the person has become 40 years of age, then he will automatically retire at the age of 60. So I will get 20 years of tenure.
Hmm. And what about Ramakrishna Mission? There are no documents.
No, my lord, we have, we sought for information, but we have not received yet, my lord. We have annexed the letter, my lord, my lord, in our, my lord, supplementary affidavit.
But it is
It's
like
fixed.
showing carrot to ass.
That will be same, my lord. That will be, I think so. I think so, my lord.
That is showing carrot
It
to
is
an
our
ass.
duty, my lord, to pick up him and to arrange how
Okay,
to.
he has not reached Dinhata. What about Ramakrishna Mission?
My lord, that is the employer can say, my lord. That is the employer can say. Then, my lord, kindly ask him
You
to
are
add the
producing
party.
documents from Dinhata. Why the documents of Ramakrishna Mission has not been
My lord, we have sought for
They have not
information.
taken in stem.
It is though it is not our duty, but to assist this honorable court, my lord, after filing this petition, we have sought. We have sought. Though it is not our duty. 7XS sponsoring the name to the employer. It is the employer who will, my lord, after going through the appropriate procedure, will appoint. We cannot say anything. Kindly consider this. We sought for information, including Dinata municipality, to assist this court, my lord.
The superintending power.
Issue direction to Ramakrishna Mission. I am asking you, what is the status of
Presently, I do not have any
Then what
instruction,
is
but
the
I have
use
to
of
take. If my lord desire, I have to
filing a
take.
letter that you give information? Dinhata has given information. The
Yes.
Ramakrishna Mission second man,
Yes.
the second authority has not given information.
No, my lord.
Whether
Till
they
now.
have issued any letter, whether there is vacancy or not. If there is vacancy, then what steps they have taken, whether
If there
admit
is
card has
vacancy,
been
then they will appoint the petitioner in accordance with law. Because we have
correct.
sponsored.
That is correct, but status should be before the court. You have sponsored.
Yes.
You have sent a letter. Now, what is the status of appointment before the Ramakrishna Mission?
If my lord desire, I can.
Now, give that.
Say at the same time, my lord, petitioner also
Is-
can get the same through RTI application. I'm not saying.
Oh,
I'm not submitting.
again for 5 years.
If he
When
has
my
any
lord directed me,
opportunity to be appointed in Ramakrishna Mission, you come up with that. If there is any vacancy, so
I'm
that he
trying
can
to get.
avail of that
I'm trying
vacancy.
to.
Rest is the applicants will be selected according to the examination.
Yes. I'm trying to get the instruction, my lord. I'm trying, my lord.
Why you have not appeared before
Yes.
Dinhata?
My lord,
Dinhata, why you have not
no,
appeared? Then
no
you say
copy.
that no copy was sent.
My lord,
It was
on
sent through speed post.
my lord, in the exception, I have written
You
categorically.
can write many things.
My lord,
You
your
have
lordship.
given a speed post number.
My lord, kindly
The
appreciate.
consignment has been sent through speed post, and your candidate is not appearing for examination.
My lord, kindly appreciate. If I am the contender of an employment, I will not appear there.
So and so learned advocate.
Kindly record my submission. my lord.
That is, after filing of the writ petition, you make such submissions. But the report that has been given by Dinata that you failed to appear in the written examination.
My lord, I was given the chance. That was not before the filing, within my knowledge, before filing the writ petition, my lord.
Mr. So and so learned advocate for state respondent submits that in spite of opportunity being provided to the petitioner to appear for a written examination before Dinhata municipality, he failed to appear. The state respondents are only the sponsoring authority. So far as employment is concerned, it rests with the authority to which such sponsor is made. However, informations were sought for from both the authorities to which sponsor was made. Though Dinhata municipality has provided documents, however, other one is Ramakrishna. The Ramakrishna Mission Industrial Training Center has not yet provided the requisite information. He seeks accommodation. 3 weeks product related.
If my lord kindly pass any observation to give us, my lord, upon the my lord Secretary of Ramakrishna Mission to provide us necessary information as per our requirement, it will benefit us, my lord. It will benefit us, my lord. Because
Has
we
not
have
provided,
sent
huh?
letter, but they have not, my lord, communicated yet. If my lord kindly,
State respondent is granted liberty to approach the Secretary Ramakrishna Mission Industrial Training Center to procure information as sought for with a letter dated 15th March 2024.
Written.
You seek information.
any observation upon the my lord Ramakrishna mission to provide necessary information in accordance with law, that will benefit us, my lord.
Deeply obliged. My lord, returnable after 3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks.
My lord. My lord, the copy of the gazette notification will be in the
Oh,
file.
exception you are filing today?
Yes, my lord.
Exception to the report. একদম
Yes.
copy দিয়ে দেবেন শ্রীমানি বাবু। Copy exception to the report filed on behalf of the petition is taken on record. Copy served.
And my lord, the gazette notification will be remain in the file, my lord.
I have returned you.
No.
দিয়ে দিন তো।
Deeply obliged.